Next is binary number system and its representation. Binary number system has base 2 because it has two symbols 0 and 1, and these symbols 0 and 1 are referred as bit, which is the abbreviated form of binary digit. In computers, binary number system is used because electronic components operate in binary mode, because an electric switch is either in on state or in off state. On means 1 state and off means 0 state. A transistor is either conducting or non-conducting. Conducting means in state 1 and non-conducting means in state 0. Second reason of using the binary number system is that computer circuits have to handle only two binary digits, so it simplifies the design of the computer and it reduces the cost and improve the reliability of the computer system. And everything that can be carried out by decimal number system can also be done in binary system. So it is easier to use the binary number system in computer. Conversion of decimal number into a binary number. Let us start with a simple number. I have taken a number 17. Now divide this number by 2 because we have to change it into binary number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 8 16 and remainder will be 1. Here we will write the remainder. Again we will divide this 8 by 2. 2 4 8. So there will be 0 remainder. We will again divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s 4 and we will get 0. Again we will divide it by 2, 1 and remainder will be 0. Again we will divide it by 2. It cannot be divided, so it will be 0 here and remainder will be 1. Now this is the binary form of this number. Now in writing this number we will start from here. This is the most significant digit and this is the least significant digit, and we will write this from starting from bottom to top like this, starting from this number 1 0 0 0 and 1. Now its base is 2. We will write it like this, and it was number 17, so we can write it like this. So this is the decimal to binary conversion.